Hi, welcome back to my channel. Vanessa here. In today's video, I am going to demonstrate how to crochet the Basketweave Stitch. So this is the Crochet Basketweave Stitch. In this video, you will learn how to work the front and back posts, and that is what gives it this beautiful basket weave texture. All right, let's get started then. Okay, so in this video, I am using Darn Good Yarn's Super Bulky. This is the Catskill Fireworks. And I believe this is a 10mm crochet hook, so whatever's appropriate for your yarn. Okay, so for the basket weave stitch, we're going to need stitches in multiples of 6. I'm going to start with a slip knot. And then I'm going to chain 12 first. Okay, so I have my 12 stitches. I'm going to add 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So there's a total of 16 chain stitches. We're going to start by working into the 4th chain from the hook. That's your 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th. So yarn over, we're working 1 double crochet, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, and pull through 2. Okay, into the next stitch, another double crochet stitch. And you're just going to repeat that all the way across. 1 double crochet in each chain stitch. Okay, so I have 14 stitches. You're going to chain 2, turn your work. Okay, so we're going to work 3 front post double crochets. So 1 in each of the 3 stitches. We're going to skip this first one, and we're going to work around the post of each of the next 3 stitches. Normally you will work through here. That's how a normal stitch is worked. For the front post, you're going to work around the actual post of the double crochet stitch. It's a front post because you're working in the front, so this is the front of the work that's facing you. A back post, and you'll see in a minute, is worked through the back or around the post in the back. Okay, so yarn over. With the front facing you, you're going to insert your hook around the post, so under the post, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, and pull through 2. Okay, repeat that for the next 2 stitches. Yarn over, insert your hook around the post, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, and pull through 2. Okay, the 3rd stitch, yarn over, under, okay, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, and pull through 2. Okay, so for the next 3 stitches, we're going to work a back post double crochet. Again, as I mentioned earlier, we're going to turn it so that the back is up. Okay, for these we worked in the front of our work. For the back post, you work in the back of your work. So this very next post here, yarn over, and then we're going to turn or slightly tip it forward, and we're going to work around the post from the back. Okay, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, and pull through 2. Okay, so you can see the difference there. We're going to work the same back post double crochet stitch into the next, or around the post of the next 2 stitches. So yarn over from the back, around the post, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, and pull through 2. Okay, so 1 more, yarn over through around the back post, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, so the front post stitches here, these 3 are raised stitches, and they create, you know, additional texture. And the back post, and for the back post, the raised stitches are in the back. Okay, so we're going to repeat those 6 for the next 6 stitches. Okay, so alternating. The next 3 stitches, we'll be working 1 front post double crochet in each of the next 3. Okay, so we have 4 more stitches. I'm going to work 1 back post double crochet into each of the next 3. So working around the back. Okay, so for our last stitch, this is our turning chain. We're going to work 1 double crochet into the 3rd chain. Here's 1, 2, and 3 up here. So 1 double crochet into the 3rd chain from the turning chain. Okay, so next row we're going to chain 2 and turn. We're going to repeat the last row. Okay, so we're going to start with 3 front post double crochets and then 3 back post double crochets, and then repeat that across. Okay, so skipping this one, and you can use the previous post stitches as a guide. 1 front post double crochet. Okay, here's the next one. And the 3rd one. Okay. Three back post, working around the back of the post. Okay, just repeat across. I only have 1 more set. Okay, so next row we're going to chain 2 and turn. Now we're going to start off with back post double crochets. Okay, so we're going to start off alternating because these were front posts. Now we want to go in the back post. Okay, always skip this first one behind this one. I would turn it, but I want to show you that it's going behind. Okay. So 2 more. Okay, so now we're working front post double crochet. So you're changing it every 2 rows. You're switching and alternating every 2 rows. So this one is front post. We're going to go in the back post. Okay, 1 double crochet into the turning chain, the chain 2, so the top of the chain. Okay, chain 2 and turn. We're going to repeat the last row because we want 2 rows of the same stitches. Okay, so we're just going to repeat the last row, working around the back post first, and we're working in threes. I know it's multiple of 6, but we're alternating every 3 stitches. Oops. Okay, so now we're going to work front post double crochets around these next 3. And you're going to repeat across. Okay, in the last stitch here, okay, this is the chain 2, the turning chain. So 1, 2, work your 1 double crochet into that top chain stitch. Okay, so there is your basket weave stitch. Okay, so you have your foundation row. Then you start with your front post, back post, front post, back post, and that's the same for the first and second row. And then for the third, you want to start with a back post and alternate. So these were front, these will be back, and then front, back, front. So 3 and 4 are the same, and then you just repeat from rows 1 through 4 until you're happy with your size. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.